Welcome to the introductory tutorial of Revit. Autodesk Revit is a software that is used in architectural designing. If you are watching this course, you might be familiar with Autodesk Revit. We are right now at autodesk.com in our web browser, which is the website of Autodesk, the software provider for Revit. Here you can go to products and click on Revit products to know more about Revit. These are some core Revit features that I'll talk about a little. Autodesk Revit provides tools that support architectural design, MEP engineering, structural engineering, and construction. Revit helps you design, build, and maintain higher quality and more energy efficient buildings. Architectural design. It is specialized features for conceptual design, analysis, rendering, and coordinated documentation help you work freely. The MEP engineering features, which is integrated feature support for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, modeling, analysis of system design, more accurate construction documentation, and easier export of design models. Structural design. It provides the tools built specially for structural design, analysis, and engineering. It includes parametric components, design, and analysis integration. Construction. Integrated features for construction modeling help you to more quickly understand means, methods, and material. So these are some core features of Autodesk Revit. Now, if you are ready to learn about in detail, first you have to download that. To do that, go to autodesk.com, Revit and trial. By simply giving your first name, last name, email, and some other details, you can download free trial. If you're willing to buy Autodesk Revit, you can go to buy. So this is the link, autodesk.com, Revit, how to buy. And these are some packages of Revit and you can buy it from there. I am in Gujarat right now. So all the providers of Autodesk Revit near me is enlisted at their website. So you can either choose to trial version or buy Autodesk Revit from here. This was a quick introduction of Autodesk Revit product. Thank you.